In industries like oil and gas, power, mining, and marine, extreme environments push equipment to the limit. Corrosion and damage are constant threats, especially in wet, harsh conditions where traditional repairs are impossible. Belzona has the solution. Belzona Super Wrap 2 is a world-renowned ISO and ASME-compliant composite repair solution designed to restore strength to weakened or hold metallic substrates. Belzona 1984 is the latest addition to the Belzona Super Wrap 2 range. Specifically engineered for surface tolerance, it can be applied directly to damp, wet, and even underwater surfaces without the need for abrasive blasting. Suitable for safety-critical and highly pressurized systems, this composite wrap restores and enhances the integrity of your assets. The system combines a high-performance 100% solids resin with custom carbon and glass fiber reinforcement sheets, along with a consolidation film. Together, they enable quick, straightforward installation and provide long-term protection, staying maintenance-free for up to 20 years. Key benefits include surface-tolerant to low-level preparation, can be applied underwater, fast return to service, extensive damage repair, fully compliant engineered solution, durable and long-lasting. The Belzona 1984 system has undergone rigorous testing and is fully approved for compliance with ISO 24817 and ASME PCC2 standards. To apply Belzona Super Wrap 2 as a compliant repair, applicators must complete rigorous training at one of Belzona's 16 training centers located worldwide. For more information, contact your local distributor at belzona.com.